Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a pretty popular dish that you probably tried before at like one of the Italian restaurants or restaurants that serve seafood, and that is mussels stir-fried in creamy garlic white wine sauce. So you can get this New Zealand mussels at the Vietnamese supermarket for about $12. If you can find mussels at different supermarkets, it's fine. You don't have to get it at the Vietnamese supermarket. And remember to get them with the shell on. This one has half a shell on, so it's perfectly fine. And we're gonna need some white wine. Make sure that you use wine that's not sweet because you don't want your creamy sauce to taste sweet. Over here we have our salt and pepper. And over here we have our heavy whipping cream. It's what's gonna make our sauce creamy. And we're gonna need some garlic. And then over here I have some organic rosemary to give the sauce a herb aroma. And that's it. That's all of our ingredients. So now I'm going to clean the mussel to get off all the dirt. I'm going to clean it with warm water since it was in the freezer. Okay, I'm going to clean the mussel individually. I'm going to put it to the side here. Make sure all the dirt is out. So after I finish washing them, I'm going to put it in a basket and leave it aside so that all the water can soak out. So next we're going to cut our garlic. So I'm using about 2 cloves of garlic for about 2 pounds of mussel. Okay, so I'm going to cut the garlic into slices like this. You don't need to finely chop the garlic. You want it to still be slightly chunky. So this is about 2 cloves of garlic. I know this looks like a lot of garlic because I like garlic, but you can use about 1 clove if you want. I'll just use 2. Ingredient I forgot to mention is the butter. You gotta have the butter because the butter is what gives it the amazing buttery flavor. And we have a rosemary. We're gonna rinse about maybe 2 sticks of cloves rosemary for this dish. This much, it's good. We're gonna wash them. So I'm gonna turn on the fire. I'm gonna heat up the pan, so I'm gonna leave my pan up on high first. So after the pan is hot, I'm gonna lower my heat to medium heat because you don't want to burn the butter. I'm gonna add in about 1/3 of this butter stick here. Okay, now that's cooking up. Cook the butter. Now we're going to add in our garlic while the butter is cooking. Turn off the heat a little bit high so I can start cooking. So now we're going to cook the garlic until it's slightly yellow. Not yellow, but until it's cooked. Just keep stirring that around. You can start smelling the garlic. It smells so yummy. After about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, see how my garlic is cooking, but it's not burning it? And next, we're going to add in our wine. I'm going to add in about 1 cup. This is half a cup. So here I have 1 cup. Mix that up. So after that's cooking, I'm going to add in my salt. Here I have my sea salt. So after that, I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Give that a shake. Add in 1 cup. So that's our sauce. We're going to turn the heat on high so it can start cooking. So after pouring in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of wine, I'm going to stir it on high heat so that everything can mix and well combine. And now the sauce is creamy with creamy sauce with garlic and wine. I'm going to add in more salt. And I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. And now you can give that a taste. And I'm going to add in my rosemary. Let that cook. And the rosemary is going to give that herb aroma. I'm going to add in the mussel. You want to give that a good mix. Now we're going to lower our heat to medium heat. Then we're going to close our lid to steam the mussel. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to check on the mussel. It should be done. I'll turn off my heat. Now I'm going to transfer it over to my bowl here. You can smell the aroma of the herb and the creamy and the garlic with the wine. It smells amazing. So if you notice, the mussel shrunk a little bit because it's cooked. Wasn't this recipe easy to make? So if any of the ingredients in here that you feel like it's too much cream or too much wine, you can add less, adjust it to your liking. I like my sauce creamy, so I add in this much. And if you like it, just follow my recipe. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.